Okay, here we have a new 2022 Glastron 205 GTD. This is a full windshield boat. Flip out cleats. This incredible extended swim platform. This boat does have the Mercury 4.5 liter 200 horsepower V6. It's amazing stainless steel steps or ladder. This boat will have a flip up walkthrough to go into the cockpit, which is really nice. Removable cooler there. There is a side swim step here that folds out and can be created into an additional seat. The table will also be included. It can mount in 3 areas in the boat. Back here, in the side, and up in the bow. You look at this really neat dash. Of course, kicker audio. USB cables, 12 volt, GPS gauging, everything that you would need. And of course, this great bow.